Have you ever gone to start your van and you get this warning that your tire pressure is low? Well, this video is going to show you how to change the threshold settings so you won't be bothered with that anymore. You'll need a couple of things. An OBD Bluetooth scanner, what's known as a yellow adapter, and the AlfaOBD software that's run on some type of Android device, be it a cell phone or tablet. My weapon of choice is the model LX101 from OBDlink.com. Also, you need the yellow adapter, as stated before, and AlfaOBD software available from AlfaOBD.com. I will have the links for the software and the cables and the adapter in the description of the video. First thing you have to do is plug the unit in. The adapter plugs into the adapter cable, which plugs into the OBD port, which is underneath the dash of the van, as pictured right here. It just plugs in. You got to pay attention to the way it's tapered on the sides. It only goes in one way. And plug it in, and you should be able to see a couple of indicator lights on it. It's kind of hard to see in this video, but you get a blue light for your Bluetooth and a power light, and that tells you that it's good to go. Next thing you want to do is insert the key and turn the van to the on position, but don't start it. Next, we'll show you how to set up your Android device to operate the software. You want to go into the settings of your phone, and I believe it's connections, and call up Bluetooth, and you want to add a device. So what you have to do is go to the Alpha unit itself, not the Alpha unit, the LX unit, and push the little button on it, and that will set you up to pair with your phone. And right there it says pairing, and you have to have the phone real close to the adapter for it to pair. Now it's paired, and as you can see in the top line, and you can exit out of that and call up the Alpha software or the Alpha app. Click on that. Click on that. Okay, you'll get a screen that looks something like this. Now we have to get connected with the Bluetooth unit, and you do that by hitting the little icon, the upper left-hand icon on the Alpha screen, and you want to click on interface. You can do it. I know you can. There we go. And make sure that OBDlink's Bluetooth is checkmarked, which it is. Now we exit out of this screen, and we exit out of this screen. Next thing we want to do is hit the Bluetooth icon, and then you choose the OBDlink LX, and as you can see, we're connecting, and now we're connected and can proceed from there. The next step is to select Dodge Ram under My Car setting. The car model will be Ram Promaster, and we click on that. The function that we want to select is the tire system, which is down towards tire control. I'm sorry. And then the control unit, we only have one choice. Click on that. And then next thing we want to do is connect. It tells us that we need the yellow adapter, which we have. It says we're connecting, and now we're connected. The next step is to see what settings the tire control has in its memory. And you do that by clicking on the key icon, and you want to read the system status. And that'll give you a printout of everything that the tire control has got in it. And what we want to look at right now, you can see right off the bat what the individual tire pressures are. They are right there circled, and you got the left front, right rear, left rear. And they're in bar, but I converted them to PSI. And then you can also see where the reference point is set with the areas that I had circled. As you can see, front and rear are both set to 4.15 bar, which is 60 psi. Originally, the front was set to 4.5, which is 65 pounds, and the rear was set to 5.5, which is 80 pounds. I want to run 60 front and rear, give me a little bit better ride. There's lots of other information on this screen, but I won't go into details about them now. Now that we've seen what the settings are, I am going to show you how to change them. To do that, you have to, my car is a Dodge Ram. Car model will be the ProMaster. Scroll down, find the ProMaster, click on that. The function will be the tire control again. And as before, we connect. Only one choice there. And connect. You get the warning about the yellow cable, or the yellow adapter. Now we want to click on the open hood icon. And we want to go to program right front tire settings, tire pressure settings. Click on that. Now you choose the pressure that you want, and in my instance I chose 60 psi. Scroll down, find 60, click on that and hit start. And it'll tell you that the process is completed. Go back up to the top and pick the rear tire pressure setting, and I'm also going to set that on 60 with your option. And since it was set to 60, all you got to do is hit start and it's completed. Now you want to stop it and disconnect. I didn't hit the stop button that time, but you want to do that. That's all there is to it. Now all you have to do is shut the van off and remove the adapter, and you're good to go. Of course, you could always go back in and check your settings to make sure they took, but chances are they did. I hope you liked this video and found it instructional. I plan on making some more concerning the ProMaster, and you can find them at www.electronics.com.